Good morning. Let's practice your English before you head out today. How are you feeling this morning? Did you have a good night's sleep? What time did you wake up this morning? Did you have breakfast yet? Do you have any plans for the day? What do you want to accomplish today? Is there anything causing you stress recently? I hope you have enough time to relax. What is something you're looking forward to? That sounds like fun. Well, it was nice chatting with you. Have a great day. Good morning. Let's practice your English before you head out today. How are you feeling this morning?
Good morning. I'm feeling great, thank you.
Did you have a good night's sleep?
Yes, I did. I slept like a baby.
What time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at around 6:30 a.m. It's my usual wake-up time during the week.
Did you have breakfast yet?
Yes, I had some toast and coffee. It's my usual breakfast.
Do you have any plans for the day?
Not much planned for the morning. I have some work to do in the afternoon.
What do you want to accomplish today?
I'd really like to get some English studying done, but I'm not sure that I have the time.
Is there anything causing you stress recently?
Actually, work has been really stressful lately. I wish I had more time to do the things that I want to do.
I hope you have enough time to relax. What is something you're looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to the weekend. I can't wait to see my friends and unwind.
That sounds like fun. Well, it was nice chatting with you. Have a great day.
You too. Have a wonderful day.